In the dead of night, our cities sleep, but our machines don't. Behind windows glowing with a digital blue, algorithms are learning, optimizing, predicting our every move. They hum quietly in the dark, weaving a future we're sprinting towards. But in this rush, we've forgotten to ask the simplest, most important question. What should we watch out for? Because every tool that promises to make life easier also comes with a hidden cost, a price we might not be ready to pay. Let's get one thing straight. AI isn't good or evil. It's not a villain from a sci-fi movie. It's just data. Billions, even trillions, of fragments of human knowledge, art, and conversation, all stitched together into something that looks and sounds a lot like thought. But here's the truth that gets lost in the hype. AI doesn't understand truth. It imitates it. It can write an essay, compose a song, or answer a complex question with incredible confidence, even when it's completely, utterly wrong. In the industry, they have a sanitized term for this: a hallucination. Think about that for a second. We're building machines that never sleep, never hesitate, and never doubt themselves. Yet they have no actual awareness of what they're saying. They can't distinguish fact from fiction, only patterns from data. This is the danger of confidence without consciousness. It's like a pilot flying a plane by reading a manual for a boat, but telling you with absolute certainty that you're headed in the right direction. When we blindly trust this artificial confidence, we risk being led astray. Not by malice, but by a convincing, articulate error. Then there's bias, the quiet, insidious kind that hides in the shadows of our own history. AI learns from the data we give it. So, what happens when we feed an algorithm the entirety of human history with all its prejudices, injustices, and inequalities? It doesn't question them. It doesn't see them as moral failings to be corrected. It sees them as patterns to be replicated. It learns our biases and then optimizes them, serving them back to us at machine speed. Imagine a digital mirror that doesn't reflect who we are today or who we aspire to be, but instead shows us a distorted reflection of everything we've ever done wrong, and then uses that reflection to make decisions about the future? That's bias at scale. From hiring and loan applications to criminal justice. If we're not incredibly careful, AI could embed the mistakes of our past into the framework of our future, making inequality more efficient and harder to see. It doesn't know fairness, only frequency. And that bias can spread much faster than our own awareness can catch up. Finally, there's the subtle trap of dependence. It starts small. I'll just let AI write this email. I'll let it plan my trip. I'll let it summarize this book for me. Each time we outsource a piece of our thinking, we tell ourselves it's about efficiency. But what happens when we outsource too much? The more we rely on machines to do our thinking for us, the less we practice the skills of critical thought, creativity, and problem solving ourselves. Our cognitive muscles begin to atrophy. Tools are supposed to empower us to extend our abilities, not replace them. Imagine a generation that builds incredible machines to make life easier, only to find that life feels empty and meaningless without them. That's the delicate edge we're standing on right now. The convenience is seductive, but the cost could be a piece of our own humanity. We risk becoming passive consumers of algorithmically generated reality rather than active creators of our own lives. So, what's the takeaway here? The truth is, AI isn't dangerous by itself. It's a tool, and like any powerful tool, its danger lies in how we use it. Or more accurately, when we stop paying attention. It becomes dangerous when we forget that every single line of code, every algorithm was written by human hands with all our human flaws, goals, and limitations. It's dangerous when we treat it like a magic oracle instead of the complex, imperfect system it is. So what should we really watch out for? We should watch out for systems that sound intelligent but have no concept of truth. We should watch out for models that amplify our worst historical mistakes faster than we can correct them. And most of all, we should watch out for the kind of effortless convenience that slowly replaces our own curiosity and our will to think for ourselves. Because the real threat we face isn't artificial intelligence, It's artificial awareness. It's the illusion of understanding without the substance. AI can process the data, calculate the probabilities, and generate the output. But only you, only we, can give it meaning. Only we can provide the wisdom, the ethics, and the purpose. Here at Motivate and Automate, we believe in harnessing AI as a tool for ambition, not as a replacement for awareness. If you want to explore how to use these powerful tools wisely, make sure you subscribe and join the conversation. Thanks for watching!